going on, y'all? This is Mind for Business, where we talk about the mind and we talk about business. So, I believe that business is simply staying busy in a profitable way. I believe our most valuable asset in business, through my experience, through the things that I've learned, through my talks with mentors, I believe that the most important asset in the field of business is our minds. I believe our minds are our attention mechanisms. In 2017, a paper was published called Attention is All You Need. It was published by some researchers at Google, and not long after, it was adopted by researchers and developers over at OpenAI. Now, if you haven't been living under a rock, then you'll know that some of the hottest companies right now are OpenAI and Google for a very, very long time. Now, here's why this is important. When you read this paper, you understand and you start to see that the thing that made these AI algorithms really take that next leap was taking the current algorithms that they had and giving them more context on the data that was coming through these algorithms. So what do I mean by that? I mean that instead of just having a piece of information cross by and say, let's predict what's happening next, they started to ask a fundamental question. How does this piece of information relate to the other pieces of information? Not just in sequential order, what's in front of it and what's behind it, but in terms of meaning, relevance, and context. Now, the question that I have for you is that if we're able to take a similar approach in terms of really leveraging our minds to make better predictive outcomes, what do you think that would be able to do for your business? On this channel, those are the concepts and those are the ideas that we explore. If you think that you'd be a better person, better business person, by being able to manage your mind and use it for your business purposes, then this is the channel for you. Stick around, follow along, and I'll see you next time.